Hello and welcome to Mostly Motion. So we have quite an interesting one for you today. I reached out to Rodney from Bike Shack in KwaZulu-Natal, and nice as he is, he sent us 3 traction discs. So I'll explain what they are, but he sent 3 of them for us to work with and to experiment on for this weekend. So that's why we're at Flippy's house to have a look at these guys. There they are. 1, 2, 3. So I first heard of the traction disc a couple of months ago when Ivan from a bike shop in Nelspruit asked me if I didn't want to do that because I was complaining about traction and low end torque and trying to set my bike up for that, and he suggested it. I've been doing some research, watching some videos, and I couldn't find too much testing that was done on the bikes, which is why we're here. Here are some of the products that Rodney sent through to us. First up is the 290 gram traction disc. For this one, it's suitable on most bikes and you don't need anything else to fit it. Just bolt it onto your existing clutch assembly for most 2-strokes. Second up is the larger and heavier 350 gram traction disc. And if you have a later model 300 KTM 2-stroke, you will need a spacer and a new gasket for this, also sent through to us by Rodney. And then there's the big Mountain Goat 420 gram traction disc, and this is application specific. We'll be testing that out pretty soon as well. It's heavier and it creates more inertial force. We'll see how that works. For this one, you'll also need the spacer and gasket set for your clutch cover. So as far as I could gather, these traction discs are supposed to give you more traction, soften the throttle response, and give you better low-end torque. It's also supposed to help you in situations where your bike wants to stall out and die on an uphill. Basically what it does is it connects to your existing clutch assembly and it adds some weight to it, similar to a flywheel weight. This is just a lot cheaper and a lot less difficult to install. If you want more information on how to install these videos, I've added a link down in the description where you can see Rodney install these on different types of bikes, but it's quite simple to do. Now down to the testing. Would you have a look at that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 bikes. That's a big turnout, one of our biggest yet. And all these boys can ride. This is going to be an interesting one. We are testing out the traction discs, the 290 in the Husqvarna 2018 and 350 in this bad boy. Put the spacer on there, so we're going to give them a try this morning. Here we go! Definitely more traction there, definitely more lower end torque. Already I can feel the difference. So I'm sweating a bit today and we just started the ride now, but basically this is one of the older green loops of the actual Caster Bridge Enduro. You can see it's quite ridden out, quite rutted, and I'm not feeling myself today on the bike. However, the bike feels great. It's not the bike. Just feeling a little bit off balance. Woke up really early. So yeah, that's definitely playing a role. That doesn't take away from the fact that I can feel low-end grunt has been improved. Not massively, and it might be in my head, but it feels like a difference to me. I would definitely give it a go. I've got the 350 traction disc in here, so it's not the biggest one. You still get the Mountain Goat above that. Okay, 'n bietjie terugkom. Oh. It's terrible. I've been here 3 times, I've never made it past without help. Everyone's battling here. I'm really feeling better low in grunt and more traction because I am tired and I'm can't even help him. So all these routes, double step ups, this is beautiful riding. That's definitely more traction. Definitely better low end grunt and stall proof. Yes. Look at them. There's a few things that get me more adrenaline pumped and excited than this kind of view. Looking at the guys and not at the trees, but yeah, this is beautiful. Boys on the bikes. Oh, watch where you're riding, boy. We just had a beverage here by this official stall, the cold drink, liquid fruit, and now we're gonna head off. Both the groups joined up together again, so we're heading off. Up. Fist bump. Yeah, boys. Local enthusiasts, future of the biking community. Some sand, you know, that's another place where the traction disc would be very good. Thick sand, I think it'll help the traction. Some of these boys can ride. Oh my goodness. Woo-hoo. Some really good riders here. Here we go. Ah, Sandy. top of the world here. Let's have a look at this view.
We are on top of the world.
That was definitely worth the climb, but it was tough. Just a little bit of off-time feedback on the traction discs. I would have never made it up that bit without the traction disc. It really helped me a lot. Gives me a lot of confidence. I know the bike is going to hook up, and the torque is much better. Even mid RPM I can feel some. I didn't think I was going to be this overwhelmingly impressed and surprised by them, but they definitely have. I'd recommend them. In fact, I think we'll stock them on the channel. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, tell me what a wuss I am. You're more than welcome. It all helps the channel.
Fast as you can, they say. Wow, that's easy. Not fast. Chart coming in for a pass. Oh, I'm really relying on this traction disc for some momentum here. Sitting down, just letting it be. My arms are toast. This is a tough one. Some of the boys are going around that way. Some of the boys are making it up.
There you go, George.
You can feel the energy being sapped from his body.
There we go. There we go.
Now this is a big test for this guy. Wag, ek het hom. Dankie. Here we go.
Feel the run up, when you rev it up, drop the clutch, but as you drop the clutch, I want you to stand on the
Okay,
edge,
okay,
and it'll just pop you up and over.
okay. Yeah! Thank you! There we go. There we go, Mr. Traction Disc, sir. That really saved my ass today. Woo-wee! Yo, that's insane. Riding on the outer limits. That's a sheer drop down there. Whew.
Just got back to Lion's Head Lodge. You must check it out if you're riding in the area. Definitely pro bike. The guys came out this morning, wished us luck, and they went to the motocross track, but it was incredible. Yeah, no, yes, maybe.
Definitely, no. I definitely felt a difference. I had the lightest of the 3 discs in.
290.
The 290, yes. And on certain obstacles that I couldn't clear before on low pace, I cleared it. So definitely made a difference, made it much easier.
Would you say $500-600 for that kind of thing is worthwhile? Worth the kind of traction?
Definitely, get yourself one.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Yeah. Awesome. We're going to call it a day from there. Listen, this is, I just want to show you the view quickly. We have the most beautiful view from here. So just look at this. This is the view you have from Lion's Head Lodge at the top here. There's an honesty bar over there with some beers, and that's the view from this patio. So nice. Thank you so much for watching Mostly Motion. I'll see you in the next video. Buy yourself a traction disc and subscribe.